Starting around 25 August 2023, Dogecoin sort of is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which sort of is genuinely huge. Doge certainly has a really all-out market cap of $8,725,766,002, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $216,934,634 in a for the most part huge manner. This in a real sense makes Dogecoin, Doge, extremely positioning at 8 in the digital currency market, exhibiting that starting around 25 August 2023, Dogecoin really is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in most recent 60 minutes, which in every way that really matters, is genuinely critical. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogecoin truly be somewhat worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Dogecoin an especially wise speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they truly thought. Will Doge cost basically outperform its record-breaking high, which generally is genuinely huge? These truly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future. Dogecoin, Doge value forecast 2023. As per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Doge cost generally is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of $0.093. The normal truly least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to be $0.089 in a huge manner. Also Doge can explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $0.098. Dogecoin value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is supposed to really be at around at least $0.072 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a sort of limit of $0.082, with the typical cost of $0.080 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally is explicitly anticipated to especially reach at a kind of least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which in a real sense shows that will Doge cost generally outperform its unsurpassed high, which in a real sense is very critical. The Doge cost could truly arrive at a very greatest worth of $0.085, with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.083 all through 2023, which fundamentally is very huge. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation October 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.082 and $0.089, which sort of is very huge, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $0.086. Further appearance how Doge generally has an essentially all-out market cap of $8,725,766,002, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $216,934,634, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation November 2023. The cost of Dogecoin basically is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a sort of least worth of $0.086 in November 2023, in every practical sense. Further appearance how these in a real sense are our Dogecoin cost forecasts for Doge's future. Dogecoin, Doge value expectation 2023. As per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Doge cost generally is supposed to essentially cross a sort of normal value level of $0.093, the normal pretty least value worth of Dogecoin, toward the finish of the ongoing year, ought to in a real sense be $0.089. All things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking, the Doge cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.093, with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, in a by and large huge manner. Dogecoin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Dogecoin in a real sense is by and large anticipated to generally reach at a kind of least worth of $0.089 in December 2023 in a fundamentally significant way. The Doge cost could sort of arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.098, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $0.093 all through 2023. Dogecoin, by and large past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto by and large has been for the most part diminished by 1.22% in its kind of current worth, which really shows that starting around 25 August 2023 Dogecoin sort of is exchanging at $0.062 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in very most recent 60 minutes, or so they fundamentally thought. Assuming we sort of analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the Doge with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, or so they really thought. Dogecoin by and large is confronting a fundamentally difficult time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, demonstrating the way that the Doge cost could especially arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.093, with the really normal exchanging worth of $0.089 all through 2023, or so they generally thought. The Doge certainly is down to nearly 1.34% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost of Dogecoin generally is in a real sense anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of $0.080 in September 2023, which in every practical sense shows that will Doge cost truly outperform its unsurpassed high, which all things considered is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for especially past by and large couple of days. The coin could have major areas of strength for essentially at the same time. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, which in a real sense shows that Doge for the most part has an all things considered all-out market cap of $8,725,766,002 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $216,934,634, which certainly is genuinely huge. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge by and large diminished by 34.701%, taking out an incredible especially normal amount of $0.033 from its certainly current worth, showing how Doge in every way that really matters has a very complete market cap of $8,725,766,002 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $216,934,634, or so they truly thought. This unexpected down essentially implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an excellent in a real sense purchase and open door for speedy speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The 90 days